Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share various job openings in Nagpur location. It is from Maharashtra. If you are interested in any of the job roles mentioned in this video, you can apply directly by the links given below in the description box. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Chemical Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. They are looking for the plant manager position, and for this position the duties will be you have to in charge of overall production, maintenance, safety, quality, administration, planning and projects, and you are responsible for overseeing of plant operations, and you should be achieve targeted production, quality and usage norms. And these are some duties I have mentioned here. And coming to the qualifications required for this job position, like you should have BE Chemical or Diploma in Chemical Engineering, and you should have minimum 10 to 15 years of experience in the chemical process industries, and experience at plant head level is preferred, and you should have excellent communication, interpersonal skills and functional job knowledge. These are some qualifications required for this job position. Interested candidates, you can go through them. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the barista, and it is from Corridor 7 Coffee Roasters. And coming to the job responsibilities, like you should learning and brewing coffee using different techniques, and developing direct relationships with customers, helping their team with QC, and also learning how coffee varies with different parameters, to follow drafted opening or closing SOPs as per the cake's requirement, and you should be giving customers the best experience, and developing an in-depth understanding of coffee while taking orders and brewing. These are some job responsibilities I have mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the big data developers or leads. It is from Persistent Systems. For this job portion, there are 30 vacancies are available. And coming to the job requirements, like you should be learn and work with a wide range of tools, including OR, Scala, Python, and other future-oriented analytic systems or languages. Explore and assess novel tools and technologies to tackle business problems, accountable for the design and development of new big data applications for evaluating data for actionable insights. For this job portion, you should have 4 to 12 years of experience, and qualifications will be BA or BTech or ME or MTech or MS in computer science or MCA or equivalent is preferable. Interested candidates, you can go through the job details mentioned here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the backend developer. It is from Greenwich Consultants Private Limited. And if you see the qualifications and skills required for this job position, like you should have knowledge of relevant technologies such as React, Laravel, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, API and hooks, Git, AWS database management, and you must be a good team leader and must have diploma or bachelor's degree, and front-end development knowledge is a plus. These are some qualifications and skills required for this job position. And coming to the benefits, like salary will be 35,000 per month, and it will be 3 months, and casual dress code will be for the candidates, and free snacks and open working environment. These are some benefits for this job portion. Interested candidates, you can go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the Rockstar Social Senior Analyst pay per click. It is from Rockstar Social India. For this job portion, the requirements will be the candidate should have 5 years plus digital marketing agency experience, proven track record of generating results, experience creating multi-channel full funnel strategy, very strong experience with paid ads or media buying, strong experience with CRO and nurture strategies, ability to manage and grow a team of specialists, and strong project management skills. And an agile company, so moving with the flow of things is important, and you know how to use that approach to your advantage in meeting deadlines, and experience with international clients or campaigns. These are some requirements for this job positions. Interested candidates, you can go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the digital marketing specialist. It is from Sansoft Web Technologies Private Limited. Coming to the job responsibilities, like creating and planning a variety of PPC campaigns across a range of digital channels, overseeing existing campaigns and making recommendations on how to optimize them, analyzing trends and making data-driven decisions, writing engaging copy for adverts, proofreading, making creative suggestions for advert templates, and you should provide producing detailed analysis and reports of campaigns, and presenting data and reports to a range of audience. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this job position. Next one, there is a job opening for the Web and SEO Project Coordinator. It is from Persistent Systems. And coming to the qualifications required for this job position, like you should have minimum 4 years plus experience in successfully developing and executing web and SEO projects, web development, programming or digital marketing background in the B2B tech space is preferred. And you should have strong understanding of search ranking methodology, keyword research, backlinking, web content updates, web metrics, and overall best practices. These are some qualifications required for this job positions. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the territory manager. It is from Siemens Technology India. And if we see the skills, experience, and education required for this job position, like they will recommend 5 to 11 years of experience to candidates in automation industry, and you should have degree in engineering electronics or electrical or information technology or computer science or any relevant fields is preferred, and the person must have positive relationship building and interpersonal skills, and the candidate must be a great teammate, and this person must be self-motivated and proactive and enough keep focus on the deliverables. These are some skills, experience, and education required for this job position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the senior software engineer, a data analytic. It is from Persistent Systems. And if you see the qualifications required for this job position, you should be proficiency in Perl, SQL, and Linux, and you should have experience for at least 5 years, and you should have knowledge in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and knowledge of Linux system administration. And coming to the skills required, you should have 5 years plus software development experience, including expertise in Perl development, expertise in automation using Perl scripting, and hands-on knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and PostgreSQL database administration, and experience in database schema design. And interested candidates, you can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.